Sneaky Mr. Sniffles. Meet Mr. Sniffles. He wants to be close to the whole family. Mr. Sniffles is a character that visits every family from time to time. Someone brings him home and then he gets around to other family members spreading colds and flu symptoms. Sneaky Mr. Sniffles. His name is Mr. Sniffles. He's a rascal through and through. He likes to see you sneezing with your nose all runny too. Achoo! He's happy spreading symptoms of a nasty cold or flu, so if you want to dodge him, well, you've got some work to do. He leaves his germs on all you touch, so wash his germs away. And if the room is stuffy, well, his germs are there to stay. And if your friends are sneezing and they give a big achoo, it's often wise to step away and maybe say, "Bless you." But if he somehow finds you and your nose begins to block, or maybe it's all runny and you're coughing quite a lot, some medicine and lots of rest may help you see it through and beat old Mr. Sniffles and the signs of colds and flu.